Hi, in this video I will talk about how to set up multi-tariff settings in Schneider PM 5300. To do that, you have to go to maintenance, go to setup, press the password, meters, then go to tariff. Now, see, there are three modes in the settings. In this video I will only talk about the time of day mode. Okay, go down. In tariff 1 I will set up the peak time. In our country, the peak time is from 5 p.m. to 11 p.m. So in 24-hour format it should be 17 hours to 23 hours. So let's edit it. Data type, day type, for me it's everyday. In this meter you can choose from everyday to a specific day or to weekdays or weekends. Okay, so for me it will be everyday. Now let's edit the start time. As I said, the peak time is from 5 p.m. to 11 p.m. so it should be 17 hours. Okay, so it's done. Now the end time is 23 hours. Now you have to decide from when to when you want these results, like when you want to start counting. For me it's from January to December, so I will edit it to 1. Start day should be 1 and the end month should be 12. End day, okay, 31. Yes. Now for off peak time I have to explain it a bit. It's a little bit trickier than the peak time, as you have to take the other times, right? So to do that you have to go backwards. Here I will show you. So for peak times we selected 17 hours to 23 hours, right? So now we have to take the other portion of the day. It will start from 23 to 17, but there is a catch. You cannot overlap the values of different tariffs. Okay, so to differentiate you have to put it for the off peak you have to put it 2301, and for the end time it should be 16.59. So there is a gap, it's not overlapping. If it overlaps it will not take the data. Okay, and many of you can think that you will lose 1 minute because it will end at 23 and it will start counting of peak time from 2301. But actually no, you will not lose any value, because 23 it actually means 23:00:59. So 59 seconds. That means you will not lose any data. If I'm right, it is shown in the manual also. Let me see, please. Yes, as I was saying, here you can see 23:59 is actually means 23, 59 and 59. So in this time format you will not lose any value. Okay, so let's go back to the meter. So in tariff 2 we are setting up our off peak time. So as I have said earlier, it will start from 2301 and end at 1659, and the start month should be 1, that means January. The start day should be 1. End month would be 12 for December, and end day should be 31. Okay, so that's it for the setting. Now let me show you where you can find the tariff values. Okay, so go to E and then go to tariff. So T1 denotes for peak values and T2 off peak. Go to T1. So here you can see the watt hour. It will start counting only on the peak time, and T2 will start counting only on off peak time. As this meter is not connected to any city, it is not showing any results, but for your case it should. Okay, I hope this helps you and you can set up your meter for multi-tariff. Thank you so much.